बैक टू माई चैनल एंड आज हम करने वाले हैं एक इजी पीजी मेकअप लुक फॉर ऑल ऑफ माई एवरीडे मेकअप गर्लीज जिन लोगों को कॉलेज जाना होता है या ऑफिस जाना होता है एंड दे वांट टू गेट रेडी इन फ्यू मिनट्स। आज वो वाला मेकअप करेंगे, बहुत ही इजी पीजी मेकअप लुक है। बट बिफोर दैट आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट which helps me cleaning out my face, and I use that product regularly, thoroughly. So I just wanted to ask you guys, is washing your face twice a day enough to remove all the dirt from your face? Is your skin truly clean? I follow skincare religiously, so when Garnier challenged me to use the Garnier Micellar Water as the only cleanser for my AM and PM routine, I had to take it up. So they asked me to use it twice a day for 7 days, and here are the results. The challenge was to use Garnier Micellar Water every day for AM and PM skincare routine for 5 to 7 days to see the difference. So the steps are super easy. I have to use a cotton pad to clean my face. I just have to put the Garnier Micellar Water, pour, press and then swipe, and you can see how much dirt it is taking from my face. Now this is day 5. I have been consistently cleansing my face with it for the last 5 days, and I can already see that this all-in-one cleanser has been gentle on my skin and does not leave behind any residue on my face. So guys, today is officially the day 7th of using the Garnier Micellar Water as an all-in-one cleanser, and I am so happy with the results. So guys, I stepped out a lot throughout the week, but this micellar water still manages to remove 100% dust, dirt, pollution, sunscreen, makeup, everything from my face, and just leaves my skin 100% clean to start and feel refreshed for the next day. So guys, are you ready to take up this challenge and see if your skin is truly clean? So after now that I have cleansed my face with the Garnier Micellar Water, my go-to cleanser, now I'm gonna show you how I have created that beautiful, subtle, very quick makeup look for every day. So the first thing first that I want to do to start this makeup is to moisturize my face. So you can use any moisturizer that you like. I am taking my favorite moisturizer for all day use. Just give that nice moisturizing effect to your face, to just keep it for the entire day, because you will be in your office, in your college for the entire day. So it's very important that you moisturize your face very nicely. I'm not using any foundation because it's a quick and easy makeup look, everyday look. So not using any foundation. I'm only gonna use my concealer. So just to hide those dark areas, I'm going to use a very peachy kind of shade of concealer just around my eyes, where I can see my dark areas, just like that, a little bit here and here. Taking my beauty blender and just blending this. I'm not using a complete orange concealer is because उसको ढकने में ही बहुत टाइम आपका निकल जाएगा. तो अगर आपको क्विक मेकअप चाहिए ना, and you have a very medium skin tone like me, like a tan skin tone, you can definitely go for, according to your how much dark your under eyes and your pigmentations are, उस हिसाब से आप लोग पीच से थोड़ा सा डार्क ऑरेंज आप ले सकते हो, बट डू नॉट यूज अ सुपर ऑरेंज कंसीलर टू लिफ्ट योर फेस. बट देखो, ये हल्का सा मैंने पीची काइंड ऑफ और कंसीलर यूज किया, एंड दिस लुकिंग so much better, like my face is already looking lifted. Now, as I'm not gonna use any kind of foundation, I'm again using another concealer, just a little bit here and there, just to conceal like my face, because थोड़ा सा पीची हो गया है मेरा face, and you will see the difference. बहुत हल्का सा, not too much, as you can see. Then again with the same beauty blend I'm gonna blend. Because it's a everyday makeup, I don't need a lot of coverage. थोड़ा सा स्किन शो भी होगा इस मेकअप के बाद, so that is perfectly fine. You don't need a lot of makeup or full coverage makeup for your everyday use. Now as you can see, there is super difference in my before face and my after face, but I can still see my imperfection in my skin through this makeup. तो ये बहुत high coverage makeup तो है नहीं, बहुत लाइट, बहुत स्किन लाइक मेकअप है which I have done. Now I'm just gonna take my compact powder and I'm just gonna set the face a little, especially on the under eye area जहाँ पे crease बहुत ज़्यादा करता है and सेट करने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So I'm not gonna do a lot of compact. I'm just applying it to the areas where I need a little setting. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा करने से ना फिर क्रैक्स आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. एंड एवरीडे मेकअप के लिए यू कैन कैरी योर कॉम्पैक्ट, टच इट अप व्हेनेवर यू फील लाइक यू गेटिंग ऑयली. Okay, for this everyday look, I'm not doing any contour today. I am just gonna apply blush. I'm just gonna apply blush, and for that I'm using this liquid blush to my face, just taking a little bit onto my finger. बहुत pretty blush है ये. Just applying it to the cheeks like this and blending it with my finger only. फिंगर से ना क्या होता है, आपको पता चलता है कि आपको कहाँ कहाँ करना है, एंड इट विल ऑल्सो गिव यू अ वेरी नाइस, बिकॉज आपके फिंगर से वो हीट जो इसको और ज़्यादा वार्म अप कर रही है, जस्ट मेक्स योर स्किन लुक so pretty and highlighted and nicely. The glow is coming from within. अब आप इस तरफ एंड इस तरफ का डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं. दिस इज लुकिंग very bland like this, and this is looking a little lifted, but it is not looking super like makeup-y kind of thing. It is looking like it's coming from within and very nice. So every day के लिए this is perfect. I'm also applying same blush on to my eyelid like this, just for that coverage and making it look like my own skin and nothing is there. Blush थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल लिक्विड ही है क्योंकि, तो थोड़ा सा अपना थोड़ी देर बाद ये क्रीज करना शुरू हो सकता है. So I'm not going to take that chance. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of compact again to my lid and making sure that it will stay. Just taking a little gel liner. आप लोग चाहो तो आप नॉर्मल जो भी आप लोगों का आई लाइनर है उससे आप छोटू सा एक विंग बना सकते हैं, which I'm gonna create right now. Then I'm gonna just do my liner. If you want to do a brown liner, that will also look amazing. If you don't want to do any liner, that will also look amazing. If you only want to do a little bit of kajal, smudge it, that will also look amazing. So it depends on you. What do you want to, how do you want to carry? You can also change different eye looks for different days. That also you can do. बट आज मैंने ये छोटू सा विंग लाइनर बनाया है, विच लाइक फॉर मी, मैंने बहुत दिनों से ये किया नहीं था. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू क्रिएट दिस फॉर दिस लुक, सो आई डिड दिस, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो लाइक परफेक्ट फॉर एवरी डे. सो आई डिड दिस. Whatever eye look you want to do, you can do. I'm gonna just do the same wing liner on the other eye, and I'm gonna come back. It is mascara and a little bit of lip gloss. Just using mascara for my lashes. This is like super duper simple, not using any lashes, nothing, but mascara makes it a lot of difference. And now it's time for me to do a little bit of lips, and for that I'm using this kind of shape. Not doing a lot, I'm just gonna take this onto my hand like this, and then I'm just using my finger and just dabbing the product on my lips. So applying my favorite lip gloss on top of it will make a lot of difference. and I can also touch this up throughout my day. Whenever like I have my lunch, I have some drinks and stuff, I can retouch it, and this is how beautiful this look is looking. This will take you less than 10 minutes to create for your everyday use, and you can easily create this look for your office or for your college or anywhere you want to go and want to get ready quickly. You can create this look. And yeah, do not forget to check out the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water for all of your everyday cleansing kind of requirement. This is super good. So yeah, my recommendation is the Micellar Cleansing Water. And if you do like the look, do give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to check my Instagram for more content, and do keep on following me if you want to see more content and more love from my side. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.